Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can get the Valentine's Day notes thing on Instagram. So this is new. Valentine's Day is coming up. 2026, still single. Anyways, I'm just trying to make this video long because it will go to shorts if I don't. But that is besides the point. I think does it count if you drop a love song? I'm actually not sure. I don't think I'm gonna press on it because I forgot to use my other screen recording app. Anyways, go to your DMs as per usual, and then here in the notes section, you're going to either type in Happy V-Day or Happy Valentine's Day. I don't know if love will show here the effect, but let's try it and see what it looks like. So I'll do Happy Valentine's Day, and you're just going to press share. Okay, so as you can see, this will pop up, and whenever somebody opens the note, they'll see this super cute animation. Let's try it with something else. So Happy V-Day, that also counts. As you can see, what else works? Let's try love. Okay, love also works. So anything to do with Valentine's Day, it will pop up. And I think it's super cute. I like the little animation as well as the style on the note. And whenever somebody presses it, they will see that Cupid animation. But yeah, that is how you can get the Valentine's Day exclusive notes. Actually, I will try using a love song and see if that works. So I'll be right back. Okay, we're back. So let me see if we use a love song, if that works. So let's try Valentine. Whoops. Let's do Leve. And then press done and share. Would that work? Okay, that doesn't work. So you just have to leave a new note. You don't put a song, I guess. So I wonder what else. I love you. Obviously that's going to be there. I'm just practically testing it, trying to test everything. What about I hate you? Obviously not. That's it. What about heart? Actually, I want to know. I don't think so. I think it's only love and Valentine's Day. Yeah. So this doesn't work. So yeah, I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!